Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another PS4 video. Okay, so in this one we will be looking at how to create an exFAT USB for the jailbroken PS4 on version 9.00. By the way, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so first go to google.com. Then search for exFAT hacks.image PS4 on 9.00 and it will lead you to this. So basically we only need the exFAT hacks.image, but you first have to download the whole folder, which is just less than 4 kilobytes in size. Also, you need to search for an application called Win32 Disk Imager from google.com. So if you get to the page, just scroll down to where you will see Win32 Disk Imager indication, then double click on it and it will automatically start downloading the application to your PC. Okay, so after the application is downloaded to your PC, double click on it and install it. So before you create the image to your USB, make sure the USB is formatted as exFAT. Okay, so if you open the application, make sure you eject all the other USB drives from your PC, except for the one you are going to use it to create the image, or make sure you have selected the right drive so that you do not erase your document. Please, if you like to support the channel, my links are in the description. Also like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment down below.